Yang mau bisa bahasa Inggris, jangan lupa like dan subscribe.
Formal versus informal. Consider. Think about. What do you think about the idea? Fortunate. Lucky. You're lucky, my friend. Inexpensive. Cheap. The food in canteen is very cheap. Incorrect. Wrong. I guess your answer is wrong. Cancel. Call off. Can we call off the meeting? Discuss. Talk about. Let's talk about the task. Manage. Deal with. We have to deal with many problems at school. Request. Ask for. Can I ask for extra sauce? Angry. Mad. She is really mad at me. Demonstrate. Show. Show me how to use it. Quit. Give up. Don't give up easily. Vacant. Empty. I think the house is empty. Require. Need. We need a laptop for the task. Reside. Live. The dog lives under the tree. Occupation. Job. Programming is my job. Permit. Let. Let me know when you finish.